Hi, during Pros Day last Saturday I took my Trackman system out onto the 9th tee and recorded some of the golf swings of the competitors. Unfortunately the battery ran out, so apologies if I didn't manage to get to yours. As I've got some of this footage, I thought it would be nice to record this video just to show you some of the capabilities of Trackman and show you how it can help your game. Now, this particular shot was from Sam White, who was the eventual winner. His shot ended up left of the target. As you can see here, we've got lots and lots of dots. Those are other shots that were played. Sam's shot is the one where the yellow ring or gold ring is around the golf ball. The screen on the right shows the trajectory, the height, the direction of the shot. Now, Trackman is a Doppler radar system that basically records the movement of the club, the launch of the golf ball, and the flight of the golf ball. As you can see, there are lots and lots of numbers here. Some are more important than others. Attack angle, which is the one at the top right there, and centeredness of strike will affect the flight of the golf ball and the direction that it travels. But the two that really affect it are the club path and the face angle. And the difference between those two will give us face to path. Now, plus is to the right and minus is to the left. So on this occasion, Sam's golf swing direction or club path was swinging to the right by 4.1 degrees, but his face was still slightly right of the target, but was less than the club path, and that gives us a minus 3.8 number, which gives us a spin axis, which is basically the way the golf ball is spinning. It's spinning tilted to the left hand side, and that's what causes the golf ball to go left. This is shown more graphically by the diagram at the bottom. You can see the larger dotted line is the target, the smaller dotted line is the direction the ball is taking off, and the blue line is the direction that the club is going in other words the club path. The face angle is the red line, which you can see is pointing pretty much straight, and the face to path number is the one on the top right hand side there. So basically the face is left of the path, which will cause the golf ball to move out to the left hand side. Now, numbers and diagrams are fine, but really the best feature as far as I'm concerned with Trackman is the video. The video, as you can see, is set up behind the target line, or behind the golfer, and you can see the white line on the ground is aiming absolutely 100% at the flag. You can see the blue line, which again represents the direction the club is travelling in at impact, and the red arrow is the direction the face is pointing, again at impact. The difference between these two will cause the golf ball to have a tilt of its spinning axis, which means that the golf ball will bend or spin to the left hand side. Now if I play the video, one of the nice features is that we can actually slow this down. Now, Sam here is actually aiming a little bit to the right, which will also affect it. The idea is to try to get the lines, the arrow and the blue line, as close as possible together. You will then get less spin. If the blue line is further out and the red line is further out to the left, then again you're going to get a lot more spin. Now, Sam's shot here finished left, as we've said. It was about 18 yards to the left. He then managed to chip and putt, make his 3. He then played some fantastic golf on the back 9 to win the competition. For me, Trackman has been a wonderful addition to my teaching arsenal. It's something that's enabled me to really see things that are difficult to see from the naked eye, and it's almost like having an MRI scan. The great thing about this is that it's based on fact. It's not fiction, it's not opinion, and obviously once I can see where the path is going, where the face is pointing, that gives me a chance to fix golf shots and change them for the better.